Right, we'll reconvene with this one. Welcome to the licensing committee. As you can see, item 1, membership and terms of reference. Do you all see these and agree them? Agreed. Thank you. Apologies for absence.
As before, Chair.
Thank you. Minutes from the last meeting. Item 3, page 1. Do you note those? And I sign them as a true record. Thank you. Disclosures of members' interest. Nobody's interested? Good. Report from the Head of Housing and Public Protection. Statement of licensing policies. I'll hand over to Phil. Thanks, Phil.
Thank you, Chair. So it's agenda item number 5, statement of licensing policy. I think the report probably crystallises the position. Authorities obliged to have a statement of licensing policy. Should have been renewed in 2020. That didn't proceed because of the position with the pandemic and an inability to really consult in any meaningful fashion with the trade, not least of which because most of the trade was furloughed, probably for parts of last year. So agreement was sought and granted to actually defer the actual refresh of the County Council Statement of Licensing policy. And all we're doing this afternoon, again, is just bringing it to your attention that we do intend now to go out to consultation on the Statement of Licensing policy. I don't want to sort of, preempt this. I'm not necessarily expecting any major changes to the policy. This policy, in one version or another, has been in place, since 2009. It's been refreshed since then. And I would like to think it served the committee well with its decision-making powers. So I'm not necessarily expecting major changes. What we will do is we'll identify any key changes, key issues, as part of the consultation exercise when we take that to the trade. And again, we will bring it back here for consideration by the committee and then approval. Just to stress that the Licensing Act, Statement of Licensing Policy and licensing is a non-executive function. So the policy will come here to be endorsed, but it will then go on to full council for adoption, and it will then become the County Council's formal policy going forward for the next 5 years.
Thank you very much. This is really just for members, a report to members, but on this occasion, are there any questions regarding this? None. This is one of the shortest meetings we've ever had. Thank you all very much for attending, and we'll see you next time with more work, a larger workload. Thank you. Thank you.